Hi friends, in this video I will be checking this precision knife. I will show you how we can replace the blade. See, this is the MRP of the product. On back side you can see the details. Surgically sharp blade. So we can use it for mat cutting, model making, etching, carving, scoring, trimming. So this has replaceable blade. We also get around 5 blades. So let me open this packet. See, this is a knife. See, this is very sharp. So we can open it like this. Then we can take this blade. So if you want to replace, we can replace. So let me put this blade. So this is how we need to replace the blade. We need to put blade like this, then put it here, then we can tight. Okay. So we can use this cap for safety. We also get 5 extra blades. So total 6 blades we get. This 5. So one blade already there in the knife. See. So 5 blades. Okay. So let me test it. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.